So I have this camping table I just got. I wanted to kind of show you guys. It's a nice size. The cool thing about these kinds of tables is they fold up and fit into a bag really easily, so you can carry them around if you're hiking or just camping out in the woods, that kind of thing. You're trying to travel light and portable. So it's got a, like I said, it's a good size. Measured this way, it is 36.5 inches long. And measured this way, it is 22.5 inches wide. And the legs can be extended, so there are variable heights, but when it's set to the highest position, it is 29.5 inches tall. But when you shorten these legs by unclamping that thing and then pushing that in, then if you make it as short as possible, it's only 21.5 inches tall. So anywhere between there, because you can set that at a variable height. Seems to be made of a good metal material. Nice and strong. Be a good table for, like I said, camping, eating around while you're camping, preparing food while you're camping, even just something to set stuff on while you're camping. Great table for camping. The way you fold it up is that you're going to lift that up, and then these things can just fold like this. So the way you do this is actually back and forth. So like this, back and forth, all the way down. And then it's clamped there in the middle there too, so you'll have to undo that clamp. See, there it is after you do that. And then after you get it halfway like that, you can slide this part down just a little bit and do the same thing on this side. A little difficult to do one-handed. Once you do all that, then this is what you'll have. And then you'll tie this band around that, and that just keeps that together like that. And then you can fold this thing down, and that will look like this. And then you can put all these pieces in this bag here. And once you do that, it'll look something like this. Very easy to pick up, carry around, and then unfold and take out when you need it for camping. So if you need a metal constructed table and want to easily carry it around for camping or hiking, this might work for you.